Coming soon, you've got a chance to tour 4 homes as part of the Holiday Home Tour, brought to you by the Cadillac Garden Club.
And we are joined right now by Leslie Hoover with more information. Good morning, Leslie. Welcome.
Good morning. Thank you for having us.
Yeah. So before we talk about the home tour, let's talk a little bit about the Garden Club. What is the Cadillac Garden Club?
The Cadillac Garden Club has been around for about 30 years. And it's a group of people that are interested in not only floral design, but also landscape, gardening, community gardening, and environmental issues.
All the pretty things.
Yeah, all the pretty things. Well, some of the things aren't pretty. Some of the problems with plastics in water and things like that.
That's true.
Because we're also really an advocate for environmental, issues as well.
Yeah.
And so we meet April through December once a month and have an educational program for our members, which we almost always invite the public to as well. So that's a service to the community.
Yeah.
And then we have our garden tour, or our home tour in December. It's a holiday home tour. And the biggest project of the Cadillac Garden Club is the Sound Garden. Are you familiar with that in Cadillac?
Yes.
It's really a gem in Cadillac across from the lake on Chestnut Street. And so we maintain and design that. And so that's most of the funds from the home tour go to purchase plants for that particular garden and things that we need to do, mulch, and we spent $800 on 9 shrubs this year, as well as other plants. We got new hostas and plant bulbs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So most of the money, almost all of it, goes towards the Sound Garden.
Okay.
And everything's been costing more money lately,
Yes.
so
Of course.
Right, of course.
contributions definitely help.
Right.
So talk to us about the Holiday Home
Yes.
Tour. What is that, and how involved do all of the members get in putting that together?
Oh, very involved. This is the 24th Holiday Home Tour, so it's been around for a long time. We're really excited. It's going to be on Saturday, December 7th from 10 in the morning till 3 in the afternoon. And it's a self-guided tour, so you can start at any one of the locations and drive around yourself. They're very close this year, so that's very helpful. And what the members do from the Garden Club is that we decorate the homes with fresh flower arrangements. And that's very expensive, and the cost of going up even for that, as you mentioned. And we get together and have a team for each house, and the teams go around and forage in the forest for evergreens and whatever, and then we purchase fresh flowers.
Oh, wow.
And we try to enhance the decor and the theme that the house might have inside. One year, the family had a Scottish heritage, and they had a lot of decorations and references to their Scottish heritage.
Oh, cool.
And so we pulled that in with like green plaid ribbons and stuff
Yeah.
like that. And another house only decorates in red and white, so we followed their theme. Or if it's a country type home, then we'll do country designs and stuff like that. So each team, we have a team of about 4 to 6 people on each house. They come up with their designs. They collect the evergreens, and then we purchase the flowers, and we spend a whole day in advance, either like Thursday or Friday, making the designs and then placing them in the house so that they're ready Saturday morning.
I got to tell you, that sounds so fun.
Oh,
I
it is.
I want to sign up.
Yeah.
That sounds so fun.
Right. It's really a team effort.
Yeah. And is this an indoor, outdoor tour?
We do a few decorations outdoors, so when you arrive, maybe a wreath on the door or some porch decorations and stuff, but then you walk through the house. So the tour appeals to a lot of people, because some people are just interested in architecture.
Of course.
People are thinking about buying their first home, and they want to see different things that are available in the community, get ideas for decorating, and then as well as our floral designs. So that's an art form. We're also a member of the Cadillac Art Council, because landscaping as well as indoor flower arranging are both art forms, and so there's really a lot of creativity that goes into this.
Yeah.
How did the homeowners get chosen? Is it an application
Yeah.
process? How do you become a part of it?
Well, that's a good question, because it's the hardest part of organizing the home tour is finding 4 homes. And so sometimes we approach people that we know that we like their house, and their friends, family, neighbor. We're just word of mouth. A couple this year were word of mouth, friend to friend to friend, and finally got to us. And occasionally we've actually gone up to someone's home and knocked on the door and said, have you heard about the home tour? Would you be interested in that type of thing? We have to select the homes really by June. of every year. So we'll be, as soon as this one's over, we'll be starting to think about that. So if people, feel that they have a home, we want variety. We look at safety, so that, handrails and not too much clutter. People have to be able to walk freely through a house.
Oh, my house is out then.
Darn, Bill.
Yeah, sorry. Well, tell us how we get about a minute to go, but tell us how we can, get tickets for this, how we find out more information.
Tickets are $15 in advance, and the day of the tour they're $20. Their tickets are available at Horizon Bookstore in downtown Cadillac on Mitchell Street, and then on Brink Art and Framing is also selling the tickets.
Perfect.
The day of the tour, you can go to any house and buy your tickets there. The addresses for the houses are on the ticket when you purchase it. And we have a 5th location this year. It's actually a Victorian house that's converted to an insurance agency at 302 East Cass.
Okay.
It's the Derek Eargood State Farm Agency. And so refreshments are going to be there, coffee and cookies. And it's a Victorian house. It's now being used for commercial, so that's just a nice place to get your tickets, come at the end of the tour.
Yeah.
And
That's great.
this has almost become a tradition for people in Cadillac. They go to the tour and then have lunch, or they have brunch and then go to the tour.
Yeah.
And it's sort of the kickoff to the holiday season.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Well, thank you,
So
Leslie,
it's really fun.
for being here on Good Day Northern Michigan and,
thank you.
and telling us all about the home tour.
Thank you so much.
So fun.
Hope to see you all at the home tour.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you so much.